SafePal Wallet Review. What is SafePal? SafePal Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet designed for securely storing, managing, and trading digital assets. It offers both hardware and software wallet solutions, providing users with multiple options for securing their cryptocurrencies. But you may ask, what it is for? It is for secure asset storage. It protects cryptocurrencies in an offline or online environment. Second is for trading and swapping. It facilitates direct token swaps and trades within the wallet. And last is DApp access. It connects to decentralized applications, dApps, for2FI, NFTs, and more. And the thing is, it's not only for these, there's also more use of SafePal Wallet. Now let us talk about the pros and cons. I'll just use 3 for each side, but without further ado, let's start with the pros. Number 1 for pros side is high security. The hardware wallet is air-gapped and immune to online threats. Number 2 is multi-chain support. It supports multiple blockchain networks and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. And last is affordable hardware wallet. It offers a budget-friendly option compared to other hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. And for the cons, here's number 1. Number 1 is learning curve. It can be complicated for beginners to set up and use. Number 2 is limited features in-app. Some advanced trading features are missing compared to competitors. And last is dependence on the mobile app. It requires the app for full functionality, which may not suit everyone. Since we are done talking about pros and cons, why not let us talk about the key features? Here's the 3 key features that I only include in this video. Here's number 1, hardware and software options. It offers both a secure offline hardware wallet and a convenient mobile app. Second is secure private key management. It keeps private keys safe through encryption and cold storage. And number 3 is built-in token swap and trading. It allows users to trade and swap tokens directly within the wallet. Since we are done talking about pros, cons and key features, I hope you learned new things in this video today, but that's it for today. Thank you.